beautiful people, happy new year and welcome back to a brand new year. Hope the year is off to a beautiful start for all of us. May this year be full of blessings and favor for us all, and may we achieve all that we set out to accomplish this year in Jesus' name. Welcome back to my channel, where we embrace natural beauty, creativity, and simple hair solutions. Today, I'm sharing a super easy DIY budget-friendly protective style that's perfect for any occasion using kinky coily hair extension. I'll show you how I created this look that's not only gorgeous but also protective for your natural hair. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for always returning. Don't forget to turn on your post notification button, like, comment, and subscribe for more natural hair tips and styles. And without further ado, let's get started. I'll be using this to slick down my hair.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung.
Hey guys, so now we are done. I'm going to be dipping this inside hot water. I want it coiling, so the hot water will now make it to be coiling. Go and bring me rag. Guys, I'm done using the hot water. I had to do it off camera because I didn't want to burn myself. So when you're done and you need to use hot water, try to look for someone to assist you, especially if you are just a beginner. Don't try to do it by yourself so you don't come and burn yourself. So I did it off camera. So now I'm going to allow it to air dry so that the coils will come up, because if I remove this now, the coils will loosen. Then I'll use my hair mousse to slick it down so that any fly away would lay down and smoothen the hair. So I'll see you when I'm done. Hey. So this is the outcome of the hair after I dipped them inside hot water. It's all dried up now. I slept with it overnight, and this is the outcome. So let's get the coilers out and see how the hair turned out to be. So now I'm gonna use setting mousse to slick it down. I don't know what chemicals is inside this, so let me remove my ring before it freezes it. I'm using the ORS olive oil leave-in setting lotion mousse.
Should I take it or leave it out? It got me thinking now, and now I'm stuck in this loop again. Should I take it or leave it out? What would happen if I talk to you? Got a feeling that I get a clue. Would you be my Fortnite?
I'm going to add a little bit of conditioner because I realized that the conditioner I used to moisturize my hair before making it, after I dipped it in the hot water, the conditioner kind of came off my hair into the hot water. So I want to keep my hair moisturized, you know. It's healthy hair journey that we are into these days, so let's try to keep the hair moisturized at all times, even with extension in. So you know, anytime you moisturize your hair, either with water or moisturizer or leave-in conditioner, always seal your hair with grease or oil to keep the moisture in, so that the moisture will still remain. Once you seal in with oil, the moisturizer or leave-in conditioner stays longer on your hair, keeping your hair healthy. So guys, what do you think? So I'm gonna add a little sheen using my above hairspray. What do you think? I'm loving my hair. Could style it anyhow I want. I think I'll have to do the rest off camera later. So you could style it a different way.